Selamat pagi. Good morning guys. Today I would like to film the videos about how to make a coffee by using this coffee machine, and it's actually from Breville. I hope I pronounced it correctly. This is newly bought. It might be the latest model, I'm not sure. It's not crazily expensive at least. This is for how you adjust the grind size for your coffee bean, and here there is a tamping function on the side. You don't have to tamp the coffee powder on your own. You can just lift down a little bit and you can tamp your powder. So without further ado, let me just turn on this coffee machine. Right, there's an electronic panel. You can choose whatever coffee that you like latte, flat white, cappuccino, even hot chocolate, babychino. And you can also save your preferred milk grind coffee size. And I saved mine already. Super user-friendly. Whatever coffee you would like to choose, there are only 3 parts that you gotta select. Number 1 is the grind size, right? Can adjust your grind size, but I think the most perfect grind size is usually between 10 to 15. And another option is the amount of coffee shot that you would like to make. I usually take single shot, and you can double shot, or you can tailor-make your own shot. You can start customize it. The last part is the milk. Yeah, it's usually come with a mug where you can adjust the temperature, adjust the form, and you can also choose the type of milk that you usually use. So I will unbox this rock bean from Bali. Rock of bean. Come with a bright plain package. Okay, let me try this out.